Hello everyone, today we're going to be drawing. So again, Ariana's going to be drawing. Ariana, what are you going to draw? Okay, Ariana's is a surprise and I'll tell you mine soon. And guess what? I'm going to be drawing a dragon again. But this time it's not ordinary dragon. It's going to be a dragon shooting fire. You've all been seeing our dragon episodes where we're doing the ones without breathing fire. So let's start. Alright, let's start everyone. I'm not going to be talking. Ariana, don't talk either because both of us need to do our concentration.
And also you need to pick which one you're doing.
Yeah, or you can do both.
Yeah.
So ready? Start.
Pause the video if we're doing a rush.
Okay, let's keep going. Ariana just got a pencil just in case she needed it for
Well,
something.
it's a pen.
Yeah, it's a pen. Alright, let's keep going now. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost done. I'm almost done my dragon. I have no idea what Ariana's is. Can you guess? All I know is she doing something pretty good.
Well, really this marker, the pink marker, is only for adding the details like the eyes, the mouth, and stuff.
Yeah. So let's keep going. This is the fire I'm adding. Look at it. You need to add like 3 little
Like the
flames.
wingers.
Wingers. They're wings.
Just to make it funny.
Okay. If you think we're going too fast, remember to pause and redo it. Okay, nice.
Coloring the border, you remember? If you don't want to do it, if it looks weird, just don't do it.
Okay, we're not going to be coloring in this episode, sadly, because we won't even have time. We're really busy today. Did you know that, guys? So that's why we're not going to
Because we have some other kids to learn.
We have other kids to teach. Not just kids, actually. Even adults sometimes will watch these videos. And if you're wondering, you're probably thinking, why doesn't this dragon have wings? It's because it's actually a wingless dragon. Some dragons don't have wings, you know?
So get a new color with mine. Flip up to a big side. It has to have a big side for coloring. And I have a little bit of coloring though. If we don't have time for my coloring, you can do it at home. You know.
Yeah, but you'll need to color your own colors.
Yeah. Then another color color in the ears.